Hi, it's Jan and the team from Kekoa Events, and we wanted to show you how we were able to transform a simple color palette into a stunning setting. Using the chosen color selection and adding in multiple textures with subtle lighting, we created a simple yet modern tablescape which encapsulated the theme of industrial chic. Using the exposed beams in the venue to suspend clouds of dried fern allows the tablescape to remain intimate and conversational with its low centerpieces. Fresh florals added to the installation to create contrast and draw your eye up and into the splendor of the surrounding venue. Using carefully selected florals and decor items to enhance and exaggerate the complementing colors and textures of the surrounding exposed brickwork, we created a statement of industrial chic, with a timeless classical feel, bringing in the client's chosen color palette. Black and gold cutlery and glassware were used to bring in a modern eclectic essence, complemented by black and grey marbled crockery. Emerald green napkins complete the setting, allowing use to create the tablescape. An alternate, lighter look was created by changing the crockery, the cutlery, and the napkins. The plates chosen were of a lighter watercolor effect with gold flecks. The napkins are textured linen in a light stone to match the vases on the table. The cutlery was of plain gold, complementing the gold flecks and glassware on the table.